So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add music to a video here in iMovie. So once you have iMovie opened up on your device, just head into whatever project you're working on. So I have right now a just blank background, a blank black video playing with no sound. So if you wanted to go ahead and add some music to this video, it's pretty straightforward. On the upper middle side right here on the left, press on the plus icon. Now when you're on this screen, I want you to scroll down to where it says audio. So for me, it's right below backgrounds and right above where it says camera. Press on audio. Now soundtracks, my music, sound effects, you can go ahead and press on soundtracks if you want, or you can do my music if you want to add your own music, whatever the case is, but we're just going to go ahead and press on soundtracks. Now a whole bunch of different soundtracks here, some of which are not actually unlocked for us, but if you just wanted to add this one right here, Evergreen by Morgan Kibbe, we'll just go ahead and press on Evergreen. It plays right there. We're going to go ahead and add that. So now if you were to go ahead and play this, I'll just be quiet for a second. Hopefully you guys can hear it. It now plays that song or that music in the background of this tutorial. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add music to a video here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.